friends who sat with me at my table.
I have thoroughly enjoyed myself. This is my third event, my second event as a table leader.
This has been a magical experience. This is my second year attending Le Dîner en Blanc here in Jackson, my first year as a table leader. And it's just been wonderful watching people come together from different backgrounds.
Table leader, it has been a very fun experience. We do the napkin wave, we do the sparkles to signify, and it's time to kick off the party.
We have a lot of people, all walks of life, from blue collar to white collar, experienced and opulent.
So, Le Dîner en Blanc Jackson 2024 is here. We are partying, we are having a great time. I'm a little humid. I mean, it's a little humid. It's got me a little moist, but it's okay. We are glistening from having a good time. We hope that you all who came had a good time, and if you did not experience Le Dîner en Blanc, you are in for a treat because we hope that you will join us next year. So, cheers, signing off, bonjour for the next go round.